For my project, I would like to compare the benefits of hands-on education with digital education. Considering I teach woodshop, but I'm also very handy and very good with digital technology such as computers. I wanted to compare these benefits because I'm one of the technology teachers in my school who embraces both ends of the technology, whether it be using the machines or it be adapting to the new ways of doing online architectural drafting and using those skills to uh, use the new CNC machines that will create whatever you designed on a computer in a real three-dimensional world. The one problem I knew I was going to run into when I started this project was that I wasn't going to have a definitive answer of whether one was better than the other. I really do think it comes down to the discipline that you're learning, and hands-on skills is essential to really understand and open up the mind to actually really see what's going on. The reason why I thought this would also be a great project, because I think there's a lot of information on this topic, being that there are a lot of people who have a lot of different opinions, who are doing a lot of different research and a lot of different case studies to really have good fighting arguments. But I think at the end of the day, I'll find out that it probably comes down to an even tie. And like I said, back to which discipline you're going to be using. And like I use the example, if I was in my undergrad, I would probably want to be in a class working on machines, trying the machines, understanding how they work, what could go wrong, what couldn't go wrong, learning from people's experiences besides my own and just observing. But now that I'm taking my master's and it's a liberal studies program, I feel that it's much easier for me to take it online, to learn all the information at home, to work with my flexible schedule of teaching during the school year 40 hours a week, during the summer working 65 hours a week. You know, it allows me to manage the class and still learn at the same time as everyone else does. And even with my projects that I'm doing in other classes, I'm collaborating with other people, and it allows us to meet at a common ground. So I can't say one is better than the other, but I can say at certain times, in certain circumstances, one is better than the other.